Hi, Joe Glavin with City Floor Supply. Today we're going to be discussing the new Navigator series instruments from Delmhorst, and it's the JX-20. So Delmhorst has a new set of moisture meter instruments. They call it their Navigator series. This one here in particular is the JX-20, and we're going to be the same principles as the J2000. As you can see, this is the Navigator series pamphlet. Comes with a molded case, extra set of pins. We've got uninsulated pins that are going to go in about 5/16 of an inch. This unit from the Navigator series, the JX-20, has a larger interface screen. You can actually search by species number, which would be in the manual, or by the actual name of the species that you're measuring. This is going to go from 6% up to 60% as far as moisture content, moisture content in the wood. We also have an adapter here for external electrodes. That would be something like the slap hammer that has a larger insulated pins to go deeper into, say, joists or through plywood into joists, that kind of thing. So some of the updated features, there's an auto timer off for this, so you're not wasting your battery. By the way, it's 2 AA batteries. So for instance, if you're on a job site and you're working on a species that isn't pre-programmed in here, so it's up to 75 species in the JX-20, you can scan the QR code with your mobile phone. It'll take you to the website, and you'll be able to get a number to dial in for the species you're working on. So yeah, the Navigator series from Delmhorst, this is the JX-20. If you'd like to get any more information about this, you can go to cityfloorsupply.com or give us a call at 1-800-737-1786.